Tengo ahí. Ah, cable car negro.
Omdat we lezen soms, omdat het was gevaarlijk voor toeristen.
Gonna jump here.
Dear friends, today I'm at the beautiful city of Namur in Belgium. Located at the scenic confluence of the Sambre and Meuse rivers, Namur is known for its rich history dating back to Roman times. In this video, I'm taking you to the top attraction in Namur, the Citadel, in a scenic cable car ride. This cable car ride to the Citadel of Namur is one of the most memorable experiences in the city. Opened in 2021, this modern cable car system connects the historic city centre directly to the hilltop Citadel, providing visitors with a quick, scenic and enjoyable way to reach one of the largest fortresses in Europe. The journey begins at Place Maurice Servet, near the Old Town and the banks of the Sambre River. From there, small gondola cabins glide smoothly over the rooftops of the city and across the river, climbing toward the impressive citadel that overlooks the meeting point of the Meuse River and the Sambre. The ride covers a distance of about 650 meters and takes roughly 3 to 4 minutes. As the gondola rises, passengers are treated to breathtaking panoramic views of Namur's historic centre, its church towers, riverside promenades, and the surrounding green hills. The approach to the citadel is particularly dramatic, as the cabins pass close to the ancient stone ramparts that once protected the city. At the top, visitors arrive at the esplanade of the Citadel, where they can explore walking paths, viewpoints, underground passages, and historical exhibits. The Citadel itself has a long military history, with fortifications that were expanded over many centuries by various rulers who recognized the strategic importance of Namur's location at the confluence of two major rivers. The Citadel has a long and complex history dating back to Roman times, when the hill was first used for defense. Over the centuries, the fortress was expanded and strengthened by various rulers because of Namur's important position controlling river routes and trade. In the 17th century, the famous military engineer Sébastien Le Prestre de Vauban helped redesign parts of the fortifications, making the Citadel one of the most advanced defensive systems in Europe. Today, the citadel of Namur is no longer a military stronghold, but a major cultural and tourist attraction. Visitors can walk along its massive stone ramparts, explore underground tunnels that stretch for several kilometers, and enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the city and surrounding valleys. The site also includes gardens, walking trails, historic buildings, restaurants, and viewpoints that make it a popular place for both locals and tourists. One of the easiest and most scenic ways to reach the top is by taking the cable car from the city centre. At the top of the citadel of Namur, visitors can explore the Terra Nova Visitor Centre, a modern museum that tells the fascinating story of the city and its fortress. The visitor centre is located inside a historic building within the citadel complex. The museum combines historical artefacts, interactive displays, multimedia presentations, and scale models to explain how the citadel developed over many centuries. Today, the Terra Nova Visitor Centre serves as the main information point for tourists exploring the citadel. It helps visitors understand the fortress before they continue their walk along the ramparts, viewpoints, gardens, and historic paths surrounding the site. Now the adventure continues underground. Beneath the citadel of Namur lies a vast network of tunnels once used by soldiers during battles and sieges. As we step into these historic passages, we're walking through centuries of military history hidden beneath the fortress. The tour usually begins near the Terra Nova Visitor Centre, where visitors enter the dimly lit stone corridors. As you walk through the tunnels, you can see thick masonry walls, narrow passageways, ventilation shafts, and defensive chambers that once protected the fortress. These tunnels stretch for several kilometres beneath the hill and were built between the 17th and 19th centuries as part of the fortress's advanced defensive system. Soldiers used the underground galleries to move safely between different parts of the fortification, store ammunition, and launch surprise attacks during sieges. This underground tour explores around 500 metres of restored historic tunnels, often called Europe's Termite Mound, through a 90-minute immersive guided experience. It features 3D animations, light and sound effects, explaining the fortress's military history, with temperatures inside ranging between 12 degrees Celsius and 14 degrees Celsius. The tour takes about 90 minutes, and the early reservation is mandatory. After exploring the hidden tunnels beneath the citadel, we step back into the light at one of the most spectacular viewpoints in Namur. Stepping out of the cool, dim stone corridors, the open landscape suddenly appears before you. From the citadel's ramparts and terraces, you can see the entire city spread out below, with the Meuse River and the Sambre River meeting at the heart of Namur. As our visit to the citadel of Namur comes to an end, we step into the cable car for the journey back down to the city. Slowly gliding away from the hilltop fortress, the massive stone walls and historic ramparts fade into the background. Beneath us, the city of Namur unfolds in a beautiful panorama, its rooftops, bridges and winding streets stretching along the rivers. In just a few minutes, we return to the lively streets of Namur, carrying with us memories of hidden tunnels, breathtaking viewpoints, and the rich history of one of Europe's great hilltop fortresses. It's the perfect ending to an unforgettable journey through the citadel of Namur. See you soon with another video on unscripted days. Safe travels!